The tax law that passed a few days ago made good on Trump's no tax on tips campaign promise. For workers, what this means for you: 1, you don't owe federal income tax on tips. Cash and credit card tips are no longer counted as taxable income for federal income tax purposes. You do not need to report tips on your Form 1040 when filing federal taxes. 2, but you still may owe state income tax unless your state also exempts tips. Social Security, FICA, and Medicare taxes still apply unless the law also changed payroll tax treatment. Check IRS guidance or your pay stub to confirm. 3, more take-home pay. You may notice larger paychecks or more of your tips staying in your pocket. If your employer previously withheld income tax from tips, that should stop now. 4, you still must report tips to your employer, in most cases, for payroll tax and wage tracking, unless specifically exempted by the new law. The IRS and Department of Labor still require reporting for compliance and benefits, e.g., Social Security credits, unemployment insurance. When does it take effect? The law applies to tips received after the effective date. Check the final law for start date. Tips earned before that date are still subject to prior tax rules. Filing your taxes. On IRS Form 1040, do not include tips in your wages, salaries, and tips box if earned after the law's effective date. Watch for a new IRS worksheet or instructions. They'll likely release updated tax forms and instructions. Impact on benefits. Less reported income might reduce income used to qualify for loans or credit, affect eligibility or calculations for social programs, Medicaid, SNAP, etc. Lower Social Security earnings if payroll taxes are no longer paid on tips.